Let's talk about wall anchors. At some point, you're going to need drywall and plaster wall anchors. When you buy new packages, they always give you these cheap, crappy ones. Go ahead and throw those right in the trash. They are garbage. Let's talk about quality wall anchors that you will use every day. Okay, now stick around because later in the video, I'm going to strength test every single one of these different wall anchors. We have a 20-pound rated anchor, a 65-pound anchor, a 90-pound anchor, 95 pounds, 100-pound, and a whopping 238-pound claim. This is standard half-inch drywall, most common in North America. Also, plaster is extremely common. Now, the viewers have told me these tiny anchors are good for masonry or brick. However, for drywall, I think they're kind of trash. Now, to install these, you only would want to trust them in extremely lightweight material, maybe a picture. You are supposed to pre-drill. If you don't want to go get a drill, go ahead and take the screw in the anchor and just force that through, or a nail punch. The rest of these anchors, most of them claim you don't need any pre-drilling at all, which makes your life so much easier. And go ahead and just tap that anchor in. So the theory is that when you screw your fastener in, it's going to expand in that hole. Now the problem is it often just starts to twist the plastic anchor and it fails and falls out, especially when you have daily vibration use like toilet paper holders and paper towel holders. So I'm not a fan of this one. Rated for 20 pounds. Let's hook right onto that. And then we have our handy dandy gauge and pull scale, and we'll see what happens. 25, 40. Okay, it exceeded the limit of 20 pounds, so that definitely surprised me. I thought those were trash. Maybe I'm wrong. Now, when you upgrade to the next class of wall anchors, you're going to have Toggler, which manufactures a lot of quality anchors. This is the plastic one. There is a similar one available in metal. Now, they claim you don't need a pre-drill on these at all, and they are rated to 65 pounds. The twist on this one is it actually has a split design. You'll see what happens on the underneath side. So these you want to keep in your toolbox. I certainly do. They get you out of a lot of trouble when something falls out of the wall. Okay, I like the aggressive thread. They bite really sharp into your plaster or drywall. And then when you come in with your screw to hang your heavy mirror or whatever you're hanging, that actually will force it apart and locks it in tightly. These are real common. These Toggler hollow core anchors for drywall and plaster are rated for 65 pounds, 50. All right, definitely achieved the 65-pound rating, and I really like how easy those are to use. Okay, we're still in the hollow core anchor class. This is a relatively new product, at least in my experience. I only was first shown it about a year ago. The ease of installation of a standard drywall hollow core anchor, no pre-drilling required. It's sharp on the edges and the tip. Standard hammer. So punch it right into the drywall and it will bite super tight. And then you're going to come in with your bracket and your screw, whatever you're hanging. And it has a split design. It's supposed to kick right on the back side. Look at that. It's like magic. It opens right up and locks it into place. 90 pounds. I don't know if I can pull that hard. Okay, that one failed before the 90. You can see it didn't pull all the way out, but the drywall failed. And 90 pounds, that's a lot of pressure for drywall. Okay, these first three examples are hollow core anchors. They work by pressure fit and locking on. However, if you want serious weight, 90 pounds, 100 pounds, a couple 100 pounds, you need some type of method that's going to lock onto both sides of the wall or ceiling. Enter toggle bolts. A lot of viewers have saying this is their go-to item. They love toggle bolts. The manufacturer does need you to pre-drill on this one. Now you're going to pinch your toggle bolt together and you're going to drop it right in the cavity, and those little flanges are going to open up on the back side. And then when you screw this on tight, it will draw it up and it will pinch and grab onto both sides of your wall, and you'll have a super strong connection. So this one is tried and true. It's been out for decades. The toggle bolts come in different sizes. This one's rated for 95 pounds of holding pressure. Toggle bolts rated at 95 pounds. 100 pounds. Okay, that's all I want to pull because I don't want it to snap off and bust my face. But it definitely achieved 100 pounds, which is more than the rating, and it's still tight. That is an impressive product. The next one is Easy Anchor, rated at 100 pounds of holding strength. I've not dealt with this one before or used it before. It looks like the ease of installation of one of these other ones. However, it claims that there's an inside mechanism that's going to flip open when you start screwing, and it'll work like a toggle bolt, but it goes in with the ease of a screw. They say you can just pop it right in. So far I'm liking how aggressive those threads are and how heavy duty it looks. Okay, now this is where the magic's supposed to happen. Of course, normally you couldn't see this part. It's hidden in your wall or ceiling. They claim when you put a fastener on there and you start screwing down, something is magically supposed to happen in there. So yeah, I've never used this one, but I may give it a try. I can see the appeal of it for sure. Rated at 100 pounds of holding strength. Rated for 100 pounds. Uh-oh. 50. All right. That's as far as I want to pull. The drywall failed. Again, I don't think the fastener failed. The drywall failed. You know, it's gypsum board. It can only hold so much. So far, the strongest is this traditional classic toggle bolt. The last one is by Toggler again. The Toggler products are all made in the United States, if that's important to you. This funny design, look how it pivots like that. There's actually a reason why it twists like that. So they want you to pre-drill. Okay, now is when you have to tip it into your hole, and you would shove it in the cavity. What's cool about this also is it's so easy to use, but also how long this is. You can install major mounting hardware with this. Okay, now when you're convinced that the back has opened up, you simply cinch down this piece. Okay, so now it's sandwiched both the top and the bottom, and you're thinking, well, that looks kind of ugly. What are you going to do with that? You snap these off, and then you're going to put your heavy-duty bracket and provided screw right in, and it will thread onto the metal and sandwich everything tight. That toggle bolt has a whopping claim of 238 pounds. We're going to test that one as well. I have no idea how they came up with that exact amount. Let's hook onto it and see what happens. Uh-oh. All right. Maybe I got 100 on there, but that's as far on this angle that I can pull. The hole is expanding. I think I'd rate it up to 100. Beyond that, I don't know why I'd mess with that. You know, lightweight stuff, mid-weight stuff, fine. But if you want something crazy, just go traditional toggle bolts. You see that design there? It locks onto both sides of the wall. It's tested. There's millions of people that have used these.